Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First of all, go through all these important works with their publishing dates, and then we will start our MCQ sessions. First question. Which statement best summarizes Toru Dutt's contribution to Indian English literature? A. She introduced detective fiction into Indian English writing. B. She pioneered the fusion of Indian mythology with English romantic poetry while also writing in French. C. She founded the progressive writers movement. D. She was primarily a dramatist. The right answer is option B. Toru Dutt occupies a unique place as one of the earliest Indian English poets to blend Indian mythological themes with English romanticism and to achieve distinction in both English and French literature. Next question. Which European country had the greatest influence on Toru Dutt's literary development? A. Germany, B. Italy, C. France, D. Spain. The right answer is option C. France. Toru Dutt mastered French literature and translated numerous French poems into English. Next question. Toru Dutt's family embraced Christianity in A. 1829, B. 1845, C. 1862, D. 1870. The right answer is option C. The Dutt family converted to Christianity in 1862 under the influence of Govind Chandra Dutt. Next question. Which famous French novelist greatly influenced Toru Dutt's prose writing? A. Victor Hugo, B. Alexandre Dumas, C. Honoré de Balzac, D. Gustave Flaubert. The right answer is option A. Victor Hugo was among the French writers whom Toru Dutt admired deeply. Next question. Which of the following poems is based on the story of a devoted son from Indian mythology? A. Prahlad, B. Lakshman, C. The Lotus, D. Our Casvariana Tree. The right answer is option A. Prahlad retells the story of the devotee Prahlada from Hindu mythology. Next question. Toru Dutt is generally regarded as belonging to which literary period of Indian English literature? A. Contemporary period, B. Early Indo-Anglian period, C. Post-Independence period, D. Modernist period. The right answer is option B. Toru Dutt is one of the pioneers of early Indian English, Indo-Anglian, literature. Next question. Which of the following poems is based on the story of King Harishchandra? A. Savitri, B. Dhruva, C. Batu, D. None of the above. The right answer is option D. None of the above. Toru Dutt did not write a poem based on King Harishchandra. Next question. The poem Sita primarily presents the story through the memories of A. Rama, B. Lakshmana, C. A mother narrating to her children, D. Hanuman. The right answer is option C. The poem is framed as a mother recounting the story of Sita's exile to her children. Next question. Which of the following works remained unfinished because of Toru Dutt's early death? A. Le Journal de Mademoiselle d'Avars, B. Bianca, or the Young Spanish Maiden, C. Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan, D. A Sheaf Gleaned in French Fields. The right answer is option B. Bianca, or the Young Spanish Maiden remained unfinished. Next question. Which poetic quality is most frequently associated with Toru Dutt? A. Satirical wit, B. Epic grandeur, C. Romantic lyricism, D. Metaphysical conceit. The right answer is option C. Toru Dutt's poetry is celebrated for its romantic lyricism. Next question. Assertion. A. Toru Dutt attempted to bridge Eastern and Western literary traditions. Reason. R. She combined Indian legends with English romantic poetic techniques. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is option A. The reason correctly explains her literary achievement. Next question. Which Indian woman writer is often regarded as Toru Dutt's closest 19th century contemporary? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Cornelia Sorabji, C. Kripabai Sathyanathan, D. Kamala Das. The right answer is option C. Kripabai Sathyanathan is another pioneering 19th century Indian woman writing in English. Next question. Which of the following was not translated by Toru Dutt? A. French lyric poetry, B. French romantic poetry, C. Sanskrit epics into French, D. French poems into English. The right answer is option C. Toru Dutt did not translate Sanskrit epics into French. Next question. The setting of our Caswarina tree is inspired by A. England, B. France, C. the Dutt family's garden at Bombay near Calcutta, D. Rome. The right answer is option C. The poem recalls the Caswarina tree at the family's garden in Bombay. Next question. Which theme dominates ancient ballads and legends of Hindustan? A. Victorian politics, B. Indian mythology and legends, C. French Revolution, D. Industrial England. The right answer is option B. The collection revives stories from Indian mythology and folklore. Next question. Which of the following is not included in ancient ballads and legends of Hindustan? A. Savitri, B. Dhruva, C. The Lotus, D. The Solitary Reaper. Write the correct answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and if you are happy with this channel's content, please share it with your friends.